you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have products by STYLEVANA to use for December. Do you want to know what this is about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, products for December by STYLEVANA just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me some of your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, STYLEVANA is not a subscription service because I know I show a lot of subscription boxes. This is just an amazing company that you can go and find pretty much anything and everything K-beauty, J-beauty. They have skincare, hair care, makeup, so much more. They have amazing brands. You can shop, rest assured that everything's going to be authentic. They have pretty much quick shipping. Sometimes it might take a little bit longer if they have like a lot of orders going on, but I've never had it take too long. Maybe like the longest, me placing my own order, a week or two for processing, and then it's shipped out. It's packaged amazingly. And again, you can be rest assured everything is authentic, and they have amazing brands. You can always use my code INF10 SheCrafty, and that will get you 10 to 15% off depending on what's accumulated in your cart at checkout. But I will have the link to go directly to them. I'll have a link to each individual product that's in front of me if you want to check out one or some or all of them. Again, their main website will be there, and my code, the INF10 SheCrafty, will be there for you to use as well to save money. So everything will be in the description box for you. Let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what we have. I'm seeing some amazing brands, some I have never used before, and some brands, but not products, I haven't used. So I'm super excited. So let's go with the first product right here, which is the AHA BHA PHA 30-Day Miracle Toner. I've used this one before and I really love it. The actual package is like this kind of like a teal color green, and I'm a package hoe. So like I would love a package just from the colors and not even knowing what's inside. I'm trying to grab my knife here to make it easier, but it doesn't want to be easy. Okay. So yeah, I really love this one. I'm almost out of my toner, so I'm so glad to now get another one. This is what it looks like down inside. And again, it is the 30-Day Miracle Toner, but look at the color of that packaging. So I always tell you guys with this, you always start with a cleanse face. So after you are cleansed, you then tone. And I'm always fresh out of the shower, so I just sprinkle a little on my hand and then just press it into my skin and let it dry. And then I go with my next step that I'm going to do. So I'm super excited to have another one because again, I really needed to get another one anyways. So the next product I'm going to go with is from the same brand, and it is the Repair Cream. This one is a blue package. So let me show you what this one looks like. I love a good repair cream, a moisture cream, something that's a nice, good, thick cream. I love it because then I wake up in the morning with a nice face, like nice and soft. I love it. Look at that blue. I love that color. So down inside, you do have the little top here. And then, ooh, that does look, no scent, but that does look nice and creamy. I can't wait to put that on my skin, especially after using the toner. I love when I can use one night of all the same brand. Even if I rotate that brand every other day or every night, whatever, I like to at least use the same brand for the one night. So I love that I can use these two together. All right, so next up we have, it says Energy Active Ampule by CNP Laboratory. That's a different kind of little hexagon little package here. Oh, okay. So it is like the little dropper style, and it is the ampule. So this would go on after your toner, but before your normal skincare routine. Let me see if it says anything on here. It says it's a nourishing and repairing ampule with propolis extracted from honeycomb that help calm and moisturize the skin, add glow, and improve skin's texture, firmness, and skin barrier. Sounds amazing. So how to use: apply an appropriate amount to the face at the ampule or essence step. Tip: use before base makeup or skin cream to keep the skin moisturized and achieve a glowing complexion. That sounds really nice. So again, after cleansed and toned, put this on and then go ahead with your normal skincare routine. And I'm so excited to try that out because it sounds like it has a lot of amazing benefits inside of that one. So that's even better. Up next is, oh, and I love this brand too, the Birch Juice Moisturizing Cream. Ooh, I'm so excited. Again, with the moisturizing cream. This is the Round Labs. I just love moisturizing creams in general. Comes with a little scooper outer if you want to use that to get the product out. This is what it looks like. It looks like it's a light blue inside, so I'm so excited. Blue and teal, aqua, that's all my favorite colors, so I gravitate to that more than anything. I don't smell anything, but it is a really pretty light blue color inside. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try that. I still don't smell anything, but I'm so excited to try that moisturizing cream. I bet that's gonna feel amazing on the skin. And it just says, a moisturizing textured cream that contains the sap of the INJES, birch trees, and Vita hyaluronic acids. How to use: apply a small amount and gently spread over the entire face for absorption. So very, very easy. This is what I always use at my last step, would be the cream is my last step. Up next we have, it says, a centella and 5-peptide concentrated cream. So that's what that package looks like. And this one here, ooh, that looks like it's a green color inside there. Again, I'm a package host, so anytime I see green, blue, anything, I'm like, ooh, what is that? I can see it from across the store, and I have to go see what it is. Even if I don't want the product, I still need to see what it is. Anybody else like that? Is it just me? This here, oh, it's just a green thing that it sits in, like the color of the little part that the moisturizer sits in, but it's a white cream inside. And no scent or anything on that one either. So let me see how this one says, which I'm sure it's just like any other cream product. How to use: after the toner, take an appropriate amount and spread out from the inside of the face outward, and then pat to absorb. So yeah, like any other moisturizer. And I can't say it enough how much I love a good moisturizer. So now I have all of those to try. I'm so excited. Okay, so now we have, it is the honey mask I'm From. That's what it looks like. And let's see here. You have a scooper outer if you want to use that. This one here looks definitely different, the consistency inside. For this one, let's see what it says. I'm From Honey Mask contains natural honey from Mount Jiri in Korea. The natural honey gives nourishment to create the look of glowy complexion. Directions: apply over a cleansed face, avoiding your eyes. Leave on for 10 minutes to 1 hour before washing off with water. Do not store in low temperatures as honey will crystallize. I normally don't use any type of product like that, but I just definitely wanted to show you what it looks like. And then because the ones that you normally wash off, I tend to not use, but it sounds like it has some great benefits with the actual honey inside. So I might actually try this one out. I don't know. I'm super torn on that one, but that sounds like a great product and I love that brand. So that's amazing. Up next we have is an Expert Sun Protector Lotion, SPF 50. UVA protection veil strengthenized by heat and water. And let's see here. Ooh, it's a big one. It's a big one. I love that blue, of course. Here's the packaging, and ooh, there is, okay, so it is already, ooh, oh, okay. It was a little, maybe you need to shake it first. Where's my tissue? Maybe you need to shake it first because I got a little bit of liquid that came out first that's running down my fingers, and then there's a little bit of whiteness right there. But let's see. Oh, that whiteness goes away super fast. and it kind of has like a nice little scent to it. I'm smelling like a nice little scent to it. So there is that one. I can't wait to try it out. I don't have any plastic on any arms anymore right now. Well, next week, I think I go back to finish my flowers. So as of right now, I will be able to definitely use this. And I think probably just shake it up more because it sounds like nice and liquidy. So yeah, I'll shake it up really good before I actually use it. But it does have a nice little scent to it, so that's nice. Okay, so up next we have by the Marion B RNT Retinol Facial Serum. And for this guy, that is what it looks like. Directions: dispense 1 pump on 2 fingertips. Apply to cleanse skin. Massage gently until absorbed. Use only 2 to 3 times per week. So with that retinol, only use it 2 to 3 times per week, not every day. So there is that guy right there. Now we have is a cleansing foam. I love a good cleansing foam. That would be my second step to my double cleanse. The first step would be using a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil to remove my makeup first. If I don't have makeup on that day, then I don't use that. I just go straight to the cleanser. So here's what this one looks like. It has probiotics to provide deep core cleansing, gently removes impurities for clean and clear skin. Apply an appropriate amount on your hands and gently massage on wet skin. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. So very, very easy, but it sounds like it's a great cleanser. So I'm super excited to try that out. Next we have is, it says, what are you? PDRN 100. And it says elasticity and wrinkle care. It's a PDRN essence. Let's cut the seal and see how it looks on the inside. Oh, that looks cute. That is such a cute package. And you just pull it off. Okay, you just pop the lid off and then you pump it out. Pump it out. So for this one, let me see what it says. It has ingredients in English, but nothing else that I see in English. And nothing is on the packaging as well. One thing that's a great thing though with their website, if you ever get a product and let's say you don't have the packaging anymore and you're like, how do I use that again? Or you can't read anything in your language to understand like what it is or how to use it, you can always go to their website, type in the product, and then underneath the photo and the price, there'll be like 2 little drop downs. One of them is like for more information and one of them is like how to use. So I can always go back to their website at any time and see how to use any of their products, and I love that. So looking at the website, you can use it as a morning routine, or for a night routine, you can use it after using the Riedel shot. I actually use it after using my retinol product. Oh, and I just wanted to say that this retinol product had no effect on my face whatsoever. Not like that shot situation last month, which really affected my face and I felt it. This one I felt nothing. I was a little skeptical at first, but it felt like nothing. It just felt like a normal moisturizer going on my skin. So I went ahead and used this after using that. Now the last product here is ABIB, and it is a dark spot pad. Sounds like it's going to be like a toner pad. Let's see. It's in this big old jar right here. I love like that peachy orangey kind of color. And then when you open it up, you do have tongs to get them out. And then here is an open, you pop this up and pull it around. You stick your finger in there. And then you pull it around. Okay. Now it is open and your little tongy tongs can just lay right on the top. I think that is really cute how it's designed to stay. I've seen a few of them like that recently. And then you can use these. My hands are not clean right now, so I will use them. Normally I just reach on in. And most of the time I tell you guys, these are always so saturated that normally I only need to use one. And this one here has 60 pads in it. So 2 months, you can use this one container for using toner every single night. So when I get out of the shower, I grab a pad, wipe it around my entire face, normally flip it over, do it again, tap in any essence, throw this away, and I'm good. I'm done. I love having these little pads because it just makes it so much easier. And you know what? I'm gonna get some of that. I'm gonna get some of that sunscreen because it was a little like oily feeling. I'm gonna get a little bit of that off with that. That helped me out. That actually helped me out. It cleaned my hands. Not oily anymore. So let me stick my little tongs back in the container so I don't lose them. But again, I really like that they just sit right there on top. If you want to use them, they're there. If not, you don't have to stick them in there. So that is the last and final product for me to use for December, you guys. So that is all of the products that they sent for me to use for December. A lot of amazing products. I love all of the moisturizers. Oh my gosh, I love all of the different variety that they sent. What would be your favorite product? What would be your favorite brand? Have you used any of these before? Do you now want to grab any of them? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. Again, if you want to check them out, you can go to their website. You can see all of the different products that they have, or each individual product that I received will be listed there for you to have easy access. And my INF10 SheCrafty will save you that 10 to 15% off if you are interested. If you like to check out other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. All right, so that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.